Ma Sharoda Topobon as the Ramakrishna Mission Center in Rishikesh is in rapid progress mode, and so many discourses has been going on since last few months. The photographs are being sent by great devotee Sri Sanatan Nayak, the engineer supervisor there, to me, and I am trying to share it in the YouTube so that people over the world, they know how much progress is going on. And it is the location and the facility of the system of Sri Sharoda Topobon is functional now. Those who are connected with Ramakrishna Mission system, they can find out the location, address, etc. It is in Rishikesh of the Uttarakhand. It is so heartening to see how the progress is going on. I am trying to share in the YouTube because so that devotees can know and participate in the valuable discourses going on since few months. That is the only purpose. And my grateful regards, love to Sri Sanatan Nayak, our beloved Sonu, the engineer supervisor, and his team, those who have been working tirelessly for many months, and they have made the topography, very difficult mountainous topography, suitable for the construction of this Ramakrishna Mission Center in Rishikesh. My hearty regards to all the devotees who must have been knowing such facility there and has been already participating in large numbers and getting their enlightened heart more broad, more loving, more kind, more spiritualized. I pray for their well-being and my prostrate to all of them. Om Sri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu. Om Sri Ramakrishna. Jathagne Dahika Shakti Ramakrishna Sthitahija Sarva Vidya Sarupang Tang Sharodang Pranamam Maham. Namo Sri Jyoti Rajayo Vivekananda Suraye Satchit Sukha Sarupayo Shamine Tapoharine. Om Sthapakaya Cha Dharmasya Sarva Dharma Sarupine Avatara Varishthayo রামকৃষ্ণায় তে নমঃ। বঙ্গ হৃদয় গোমুখী হইতে করুণা গঙ্গা বহিয়া যায়। বঙ্গ হৃদয় গোমুখী হইতে করুণা গঙ্গা বহিয়া যায়। কে আছো মানব ছুটে এসো সবে, শুষ্ক কণ্ঠ পিপাসায়। বঙ্গ হৃদয় গোমুখী হইতে করুণা গঙ্গা বহিয়া যায়। কে আছো মানব ছুটে এসো সবে, শুষ্ক কণ্ঠ পিপাসায়। বঙ্গ হৃদয় গোমুখী হইতে ওম শ্রী রাম কৃষ্ণার্পণমস্তু।